Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are done with the installation of the support app, the DaFit app, okay, in the Android platform. This time we're going to check, okay, on the watch faces available for your Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch. I'm pretty sure you are interested in checking out, okay, in knowing if what are the available watch faces for your Magic 4 smartwatch. So let's check it out. Okay, so here first, okay, let's open the support app first. Okay, so we're open now. So let's check here. So we have several preloaded watch faces for your smartwatch. Okay, so we have long press. We have one here, two, that's an analog watch face, beautiful analog watch face, professional looking analog watch face. Three, another analog. Four, so this one is digital but very high quality. Five, okay. Six, okay, that is five. Okay, for example, this one we pick from the preloaded watch faces. Just tap on it to activate. Okay, as you can see here, we have the analog watch face with the details on the steps as well as the distance here. Okay, you see it here, a beautiful looking watch faces or watch face. Okay, so we have additional watch face available in our support app. Okay, so our support app is the DaFit app. Okay, available in Android and iOS platform. To install additional watch faces, okay, just go to the support app, tap on the watch face, and we have here preloaded watch faces. As you can see, we have at least 5. The other one, the second part here, is the custom watch face. You can change the background here, okay, and change it to your own background. Okay, here on the bottom part, just tap on more watch face, and there are several watch faces available for you to download. Okay, so let's go to this part first before we check on the custom watch faces. Okay, so we have at least here several watch faces. So there's no name, it is numbered only here. Okay, let's look for a quality watch face here. Okay, so Christmas theme watch face. Okay, just in time for the season. Okay, seems like this one is looks like a pilot's watch face here. We have several analog watch faces, digital. Okay, so let's pick. Okay, how about this one? Very simple. Okay, and somewhat like unique. Okay, this one, let's check this one. 930 digital watch face. Okay, so we have several watch faces here. Okay, most of the watch faces here are Christmas themed watch faces and analog watch face. Okay, I don't know if they will change it depending on the season. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, let's pick a Christmas instead. Okay, let me check. Okay, I think it's on top. Women's Day, Earth Day. Okay, so this one, let's check this one. Tap on it if you want to select or want to download the watch face, and just tap on download. It will be automatically pushed to your smartwatch. Okay, so as you can see here, the watch face is being downloaded to our wearable. Okay, so the Download time depends on the quality or the size of the watch face, as well as of course your internet connectivity. Okay, hopefully we can download this watch face right away. Okay, we are on the 30%. Okay, so as you can see, we have the yearly progress bar. Just wait for it. Okay, while we are waiting, okay, let's check this one again. So here, as you can see, it's being downloaded over wearable. Okay, let's take a look first at the design again of the smartwatch. Okay, two physical button here. Okay, good looking display, sharp, and we have a interchangeable strap here with its quick release pin. Okay, are we done? Okay, we are on the 90%, so we're almost done. Okay, that's it. It is automatically pushed to our smartwatch. So we have here the watch face that we just downloaded. It's a beautiful looking watch face. Okay, and we have a lot of options here. Okay, so that is the process on how to download the watch face for your Kospet Magic 4. But I hope they will add more. Okay, it's not, although there's a lot of options, but I don't like some of the designs here. Okay, still you have a lot of options here to pick. Okay, we have Easter, Christmas, we have analog, digital watch faces. Okay, so here on the watch face 2, as you can see here, if you want to add your own watch face or your own background, okay, so this is the custom watch face section. Just tap on edit, and we have here the details here. You can change the position of the time. Okay, the color of the text you can also set based on or depends on your background. Okay, for example, let's add a custom watch face to our Kospet Magic 4. Okay, so just select picture here, and it will load the latest watch faces in your wearable. Okay, so let's pick this one. Okay, it's a dog themed watch face. Okay, and tap on check. Cannot retrieve crop image. Okay, and again, let's do it again. Okay, so it is having some issues with the image here. Okay, let's pick another one. Okay, that's it. So we have here a watch face. Okay, and as you can see here, the text here, you cannot read it very clearly. So let's change the color of the watch face here, or the time. Okay, to a different color. Okay, let's see, which is better. I think this one. No, make it darker. Okay, that's it. Okay, you can also change the position, I think, below time position, below done. As you can see here, it changes. So let's check the heart rate for the data available in the watch face. Okay, so that's it. So if you're done and you think it's already set, just save it and it will be downloaded also to your smartwatch. So let's see. Let's wait. Okay. So we're almost close. 93%. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We have our custom watch face for our Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch. As you can see here, beautiful looking watch face. If you are a fan of a dog, okay, this will do. Okay, so that's it. The process on how to install or download the watch face as well as custom watch face for your Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Bye.